And this big box is the hottest brand new Coach handbag and small good of the summer. I've seen a few people open something kind of similar. It has something in common with this bag, but so far I haven't seen any unboxings of this particular bag, and it absolutely deserves one. As soon as I saw it, I bought it. It's that good. And you'll know I don't usually pay retail prices. So let's get this open and see what it is, because I haven't seen it in person either. But before we do, welcome. I'm Autumn Beckman, and I'm here to help you live your most luxurious life within your budget. I post new videos on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of those, or my community posts where I share the best sales of the day and some fabulous handbags that I find. Also, don't miss my website, autumnbeckman.com. I will have that linked below. And that's where you can find things that I've designed to help you curate and organize a purposeful collection of your most treasured things. For example, the My Handbag Collection Organizer. This is the front and the back of the item tracker pages, which are the heart of the planner, where you can write down everything that you would ever want to know about your handbags and your small goods. Now let's get this open. Slicing the tape and opening the lid. It's been a while since I purchased something directly from Coach. Didn't it used to just say Coach inside? And now it has something that looks more like the Creed, but it's all about recycling. That's fun. It's wrapped in the paper with the horse and carriage sticker, and I requested gift wrapping. Looks nice. There's one little box, and there's one bigger box. And this is a better thumbnail. I just realized you don't know what I'm talking about. Better than the one that I already did with just the cardboard box. Because I don't usually have boxes from the brands to show you, since so much of what I do is pre-loved. Alright, we're gonna open the bigger box first. We unfurl the ribbon. I'm excited to see this one. I'm also a little nervous because there is something about this bag that I may hate, and I'll tell you about that when we get it open. Some of you may notice immediately what it is, because it's very out of character from me. So I'll get the lid off. We have tissue paper with that sticker, and oh gosh, I just caught a glimpse of it and I might hate it. Let's see. I want to love it. I'm gonna give it a chance. Here we go. Can't see anything yet. Okay, here we really go. Wow. Whoa. That's bright. Okay, this is shockingly bright. I'm also trying to figure out what to do with all this stuff that's around it so you can see it better. Whew. Moved some things around that I can put back in case I decide not to keep this, because I knew it was going to be bright, but I didn't know it would be almost neon. So this is the Tea Rose bag in the color Dragon Fruit, which people are currently going crazy for. And mostly what I've seen are unboxings of the quilted backpack. I'm not a backpack person, but when I saw this Tea Rose bag and I thought about over here my Rexy bag, which I love so much, I thought I need a Tea Rose bag. And this was the only color they had it in. So I only had one option, right? So let's take a closer look. On the front of the bag, this bag obviously is shaped like a Coach Tea Rose, and on the front it has this extra layer of leather here to give it some extra dimension. It also has tonal hardware, all these little rivets, the C, which are, I'm guessing, all in metal. The hang tag, I'm a little disappointed in that. I wish that it was maybe a 1941 tag. That would have been nice, because this seems to be a pretty high quality bag. The hang tag is just really plain compared to the bag. But the ball chain is also tonal. It has these two little handles that do not fold. They stand up straight just like the Rexy one does. And then let's take it for a spin. So you can see that the bag itself is shaped like the Tea Rose. So it has all those bumps and valleys. On the back you have the Tea Rose debossing there in a slightly different color, just like you have on the front, except you don't have that extra piece of leather. You can see the straps a lot better here. And then the other side is the same. This bag says it retails for $325 USD, and the color Dragon Fruit. There's the information if you need it. It says it's made in Vietnam. It also comes with this very thin tonal crossbody strap. That strap is adjustable. Now inside the bag, which like the Rexy bag is not the easiest to unzip. Oh, this just came off, so I can give you a peek at the little leather tab. So not the easiest to unzip, but this isn't an everyday bag. This would be something you take out for special occasions, or a decorative bag which sits on your shelf, which is partly or mostly what I bought it for. I don't know that this is a bag I would ever carry. Inside, take all the stuffing out. All right, inside, and it's kind of hard to get in there. That's pretty stiff. That is lined in leather, all dragon fruit. You have the Creed on one side, no pockets or anything else anywhere. There's a little tag that'll say made in Vietnam, but that's it. You are not going to fit a lot in this handbag. Here is my iPhone 10. There is no way you're getting that in there. I have 3 card holders to show you. Here's one from Coach, and that looks like it might fit. Let's see. It does. It does fit. Good. It's hard to fit even a card holder inside Rexy because the curves don't fit the corners. What I can fit in Rexy is a clay from Louis Vuitton, and that also, does it fit in here? You can make it fit. You have to turn it a little bit, or let's see. Yeah, that doesn't fit as easily. You can see the clay is a little longer than the card holder. That's why it doesn't fit. I also have this little daisy wallet from Portland Leather Goods. That looks like it'll probably fit. So let's try that. I'm gonna bet that it does. It sure does. Actually, that fits better than any of the others. So that is what I would recommend. These come in lots of different sizes. They fit cards tightly, but they do fit and they'll stretch out over time. I will link these below. They're inexpensive. They're the least expensive of all these 3 options I've shown you, and that will fit well and still leave room for a few other things like keys or whatever other tiny things you like to carry around with you. Okay, what I was thinking for this bag is that it would go on the shelf right there. What do we think? Let's step back. I mean, it's a cute bag. It's just that color. A lot of people love it. I don't think it's for me. I'm leaning toward not keeping it, but I'm not going to make up my mind yet. And I feel like when I'm not standing in front here, if I'm going to have that, then I need something else that's a bright pink to balance it out on the shelves over here. And I don't necessarily want to do that since that's not a color that I typically use. What I'm hoping, if I do return it, is that they will release that same bag in other colors and then I'll get it in another color because I love the bag itself. The bag is so pretty and it's really well made, and I would love to have that. I didn't show you the bottom earlier. I would love to have one of these in my collection. I think it's fabulous. I don't have a lot of tea rose stuff. Oh my gosh, I just remembered there's a second unboxing. Here it is. We undo the ribbon. I think whatever I do with the bag, that I'm going to keep this. Take the lid off, and a tissue paper inside is a little pouch, and we'll open up this pouch if we can figure out how to do it. All right, there we go. And ta-da! This is, let me take that plastic off. This is the matching dragon fruit tea rose bag charm. So I'm gonna slip that on here. I got it to wear on this bag, but of course it could be worn on other bags as well. So there it is. I think that's really cute. So I'll definitely keep that charm. On the back, it's plain. It says Coach down here. It's just flat, and then this side looks just like the front of the bag with the 2 layers of leather, and it has the little rivets and the little C. I'm a little surprised that they didn't do tonal hardware on this, but that's all right. I kind of hate to send the bag back because I feel like it's one that's going to sell out, and if they never release it in another color, I will regret at some point sending it back. But I'll definitely keep the bag charm. And I will let you know, because at the time I'm filming this, I'm not going to make a decision, and I'm filming this the day before it goes live. So probably by tomorrow when it goes live, I will have made a decision, and I will put that in a pinned comment in the comment section. Curious what you guys think. $325 is kind of a lot for just a decorative piece that sits on the shelf, but that's what I paid for Rexy. But I never had any second thoughts about Rexy. It was love at first sight. I've carried Rexy a few times. This one I wouldn't carry. I'm gonna have to think it through. If it wasn't quite as neon, it would be better for me. I know it's perfect for a lot of other people. Gotta think on this one. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Would you keep it? Should I keep it? By the time it goes live, I'll still have it in my possession, so I will actually be able to consider your comments. I guess that's it. Except Mod Shots. I forgot Mod Shots. I don't want to tickle the plastic off unless I know that I'm keeping it. So there's one side of the strap that I can't attach, but I can do the other side and at least put it on like this, show you how it looks crossbody, just like that. And of course, if you're carrying it top handle, it looks like this. It's so small, it could be a necklace. Winnie B LV needs one of these. Okay, thank you for watching. I do appreciate it. I'm gonna wrap this back up and be alone with my thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Hope to see you back here next time, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.